Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the 10-story building that's being built at 58 Halfway Tree Road. And here you can see it looks like they're actually working on the 3rd floor. So they have quite somewhere to go, but we're just giving you an update. Now this building is located at 58 Halfway Tree Road, which is a tech park. It has about 5 buildings in it. So if you look to the right of the video, you see a white building. That's actually one of the buildings that were recently built there. So this building that they're building now, it's going to be 126,000 square feet. Now the other buildings that are there are 200,000 square feet. So this building is actually going to increase the space at the park by 50%. So this building, there was actually, where you see that construction going up, there was a building there before known as Unit 1. And that building, Unit 1, was demolished so that they could build this 10-story building. So that's what you're looking at there now. That's the construction of the 10-story building. And that building on the right is a finished building that's used by a BPO company. There you can see more of it. So this building, that they're building now, it's going to be 126,000 square feet, of which 84,000 is going to be rentable space. It will include 44 parking spaces, and it's going to cost US $12 million, and it's supposed to finish in 2025. Now we give you update videos every 2 weeks, so if you check one of the older videos, you'll see that this building is moving very quickly. We've actually been making videos of this building when they just broke ground, before they even put up the 1st floor. So it's moving very quickly. Now, we had said that the entire business or tech park is 200,000 square feet. And a BPO, Alorico, occupies 80% of the park, which is 162,885 square feet. Now this building is owned by Stanley Motors, which is a part of the Musson Group. So outside of, there you can see the crane taking up some, looks like blocks. So yeah, it's nice to see this kind of progress. Usually you see people throwing the blocks or carrying them up, but I guess when you're going up 10 floors, it's much easier to use these cranes. So in the park now, you have other companies associated with it, Stanley Motors or Musson. And then you have the BPO, which takes up 80% of the space. Now this new building, they're looking at BPOs to go in there, as well as other companies. So they're not only focusing on the BPO industry, they're looking beyond the BPO industry. They haven't indicated who the tenants are yet, but we'll keep you guys updated as soon as they disclose it. But I mean, if one BPO operates 80% of the park, but as I said, we'll wait till they announce it. So another company that's going to be located in this 10th floor building is Transactions EPIN Limited, which is also a part of the Musson Group. So outside of the Musson Group, we only know that there is going to be a BPO in there as well, but they haven't said which one. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project. And remember, we make videos every 2 weeks on these major projects. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so this building now is one of the finished buildings. It's a 5-story building. So these buses that you see are to transport the call center workers. These are the buses that they use to transport them, I guess, to different neighborhoods or locations around the city. Alright, so we're heading back out to Halfway Tree Road now. And we'll do a video of the actual park, so you can see what the park looks like. But we're just focusing on giving you an update on the building construction today. Now, some persons have said that this building is actually going to be 13 floors. But I'm not sure where that is coming from. I mean, this building was approved for 10 floors. And I noticed people are saying that about the Ascento, which is a building being built in New Kingston down by Oxford Road. Some people are saying it's going up to over 40 floors. So I'm not sure. The Ascent was approved for 27 floors. I'm not sure what's going on with these, where people are saying that these buildings are going to be higher or taller than originally said. But we'll wait till we get some official notice. So as of now, this building is 10 floors. I'm not sure where the 13 floors came from. And the Ascent is 27 floors. Not sure where the 42 floors come from, because these buildings have to be approved, and both this building and the Ascent is under construction. However, if anything changes, we will update you and let you know. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.